Hello everyone, my name is Paula. I'm your weekend student advisor. I hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy and safe during this time. I encourage you guys to keep practicing social distancing and let's continue to take care of each other because we're in it together. So due to COVID-19, our school hours have been reduced. So on Monday through Thursday, it will be from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. On Friday, it will be from 8 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. And Saturday and Sunday will be from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. We're here for you guys. Please give us a call or send us an email if you guys have any questions or concerns. So we want to welcome all our new students to our program at BIA. I hope you guys had wonderful orientation with our student advisor. Please remember to purchase your books for your classes. And make sure to fill out our orientation form. And we will be sending you guys an email with your class link. Please check to see if they work. If they don't, please let us know so we can send you another link and help you access your classroom. All our students have an access to Quick Schools. This is a platform where students can access and check their grades, their attendance, and their billing information and their balances. Please utilize this platform. And next, there is a tutorial video for you guys to watch on how to use Quick Schools.
Quick Schools is a website BIA uses to track students' attendance and grades. To log on to Quick Schools, you will receive an email link with a username and password to join. Click on the link in the email and you will be taken to your Quick Schools profile login. Once you log into Quick Schools, you will see your Quick Schools student profile. Upon clicking View Complete Record, you can see your grades, attendance, and bills. Student Gradebook. You can see your current and past grades by clicking on the Gradebook tab. You can likewise see your attendance by clicking on the Attendance tab. Please remember that the blue means present in class, the light green or light blue means tardy, and the pink or red means absent. To view your attendance and academic probations, go to the Discipline tab. If you have any probations, you will see them under the Discipline tab. You can see your current or past bills by clicking on the Bills tab. You can see if your bill was recorded as cash, credit, or check. To check your transcript, go to the Transcript tab. In this tab, you can see all of the classes and more details that you have taken while at BIA. Please make sure that all of your contact information and your profile picture is up to date. If you have any more questions about how to use Quick Schools, or you are having trouble getting into Quick Schools, please email or call BIA. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that this helps you.
So our new schedule for morning classes are from Monday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And for our evening schedule, it's from Monday through Thursday from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. And lastly, for our weekend schedule, for Friday will be from 3:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. And for Saturday and Sunday, it will be from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. For our Summer 2 session, remember that you can miss 9 periods. 9 periods for morning, evening, and the weekend classes. Our vacation policy. Students can go on a vacation if they have completed 6 months of study with us. Please make sure you request your vacation at least a month in advance. We will review your grades and attendance to see if you qualify. If your contract, your I-20, is expiring on June 28, 2020, and you would like to continue your study at BIA with us, please fill out our extended agreement form. Please give us a bank statement as well, no older than 6 months. And give us at least 1 week so that we can process your documents. And now, here is a video to learn how to fill out your extended enrollment agreement form. All right, guys, I hope you guys stay safe. Please continue to take care of yourselves. I miss you guys, wishing you only the best. And I hope for the day where we can see each other soon in person. Please take care. Bye.
Hello, this is a tutorial on completing the Extended Enrollment Agreement. An agreement is another word for a contract, and we will use this contract to extend your I-20. On the first page of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, please fill in your personal information. Please make sure that this information is current and accurate. It is very important to enter your full name into the name field. Please make sure to answer every question, otherwise we cannot process the Extended Enrollment Agreement. On the next part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, you will select the campus in which you study, as well as the schedule that you currently attend. The next part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement is probably the most important part. Here, you will select the program you will study in, as well as the dates you wish to extend. When selecting the dates, please make sure to mark every session that you wish to extend. If you would like to extend from June 1st, 2020 until November 22, 2020, you must select every session in between those dates. In the final part of the Extended Enrollment Agreement, we require that you upload a new bank statement. The bank statement cannot be older than 6 months, and it must have enough funds to support you for the sessions you wish to extend. After you provide the bank statement, we ask that you sign the contract. Please note that you will have to sign the contract twice.
My name is Jessica. I'm the student advisor for the evening. I hope that everybody's doing well and keeping safe. I just have a few announcements for you today for Donut Day. So please just pay attention and have some patience with me as we go through it all. Okay, so wonderful students, we really want to offer you a lot of support during this time, especially because we can't see you in person. So we've come up with Zoom virtual office hours. Please come see us. We have all the staff available. That's me, Chacho, he's our PDSO. We also have Livy, she's our morning student advisor, and Paula, our weekend student advisor, as well as Elvin, who's our admissions director. Please feel free to look at our hours and come talk to us during those times. If you have any concerns or questions that you want to talk to us, please come talk to us. We're more than happy to come to see you and talk to you. All right, and I want to thank everybody for taking the Michigan test. This is including the teachers as well. Everybody was such a good trooper during it. I know that it was a challenge for a lot of students who have taken it in the past. This was very different, and for our new students or newer students that haven't taken it in an online platform. So thank you so much, and we appreciate everybody's effort and patience during that time. Okay, medical leave, super important for all of you to know. There's two things we need from you if you have an illness and you need time off from school. We need a medical note signed by a medical doctor or a clinical psychologist, and then we also need you to complete a medical leave request form, which we can also email to you, or you can find it right online at bia.edu. Please note that the medical note does need to cover the amount of days in your schedule. So whether that's morning, evening, or weekend, it needs to cover those days. If you have any questions about medical leave, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be more than willing to help you. All right, this is super important, okay? Everybody's in class, everybody's participating, everybody's meeting new students, especially this new session. So it's very, very important that everybody is engaged in class. It's fair for everybody. So please follow your teacher's instructions and policies. Use headphones if you can, because it's just clearer and better to hear everybody. And please do not drive, cook, or clean while you're in class. When you're in class, you're supposed to be focused and attentive to what is going on in the classroom and to what your teacher is saying. So if you're working on, like, say, reading a book or cleaning or cooking, you're not focused on what you're there for, which is learning English. Please, 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 if you are having any issues with your Wi-Fi, your connection, something's going on with your device that you're using to view the videos or the online class, please send us an email. Thank you. Okay, so everybody, attendance warnings. This is really important for you to pay attention to. For those students who are nearing their 9-period absences for this session, you'll be receiving an attendance warning via email. So this is really, really important that we have your updated email address on file, because you will receive them via email. And also, I just really want to make note that the students who already have 2 lifetime attendance probation, to really be mindful of your attendance. If you have any questions about your attendance, please feel free to reach out to us. Okay, academic policies. So basically, the goal is to get 75% or better. I hope that everybody's goal is to get much higher than 75%, but I do understand that life does happen and some classes might be a little bit more difficult than others. Be mindful of just attending class and participating, and that you still have to submit your quizzes and your tests and your homework, okay? And if you have questions about your grades or a grade that you got in your class, please talk to your teacher, as they're the ones that mark your grades, okay? Okay, academic warnings and probation. So for some students, they might already be aware, if you fall below 75% cumulative, you will receive an academic warning, but after you reach the end of the level. So for each level, it's 4 sessions, okay? So that means after you finish your level, if it's below 75%, then you will receive an academic probation. Okay, this is really important. I want everybody to be more independent when it comes to finding online forms and completing them. You can find our forms online at bia.edu. If you go into forms for current students, they're in there. You can see change of address, extended enrollment agreement, letter of financial support, complaint, feedback form, orientation forms. You can also find the vacation and medical leave form on there as well. So the students that want to go on vacation or need to request a leave of absence, it's right online. Okay, so for payment information, since we still have online classes, tuition is $480 for all students. You can pay 3 different ways. You can pay calling us at our BIA phone number. You can also pay by emailing us, and you can also pay by using our Zelle app. And also, I want to remind everybody that during this time, we're waiving late fees. So if you happen to pay us after the first week, that's okay. Just let us know when you plan to pay us, okay? That's really important for you to communicate with us. Okay, so for student referral gift promotion, we are offering $100 50 Amazon gift cards if you refer a new student to us. So in order for you to receive the gift card, you would need to write the name of the student on the application, and it needs to be referred by your name. And the student must be enrolled with classes and START in order for you to receive the gift card. If you need to refer back to this because it can be a little bit confusing, please feel free to review the YouTube video so you can understand it a little bit better. And it's one gift card per referral. One of the main questions we get from students is, when are we going back on campus? And the honest answer is we don't know. So once we find out and we know, we will let everybody know. We just want to make sure that everybody's safe at this time. So once we know, we will let everybody know. Thank you for your patience. Okay, and now we have an extra credit quiz video that we would like for everybody to watch. It's on how to stay motivated when learning a language. And so this is a quiz that is for extra credit. So please remember that it's optional, it's not mandatory, and it's also multiple choice, and you'll receive an email with the quiz information, how to access the quiz. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. And please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We have a lot of updates that we make on there, and we'll follow you back.
Hi everyone, my name is Libby. I'm the student advisor in the morning at BIA, and I have a quick message for you about mental health. So I think during this pandemic, mental health has become very important, and it's really important to do those things that matter most to you, such as taking walks, it's good for your health, and reaching out to people who matter the most to you. Maybe it means limiting your time on social media, limiting your time reading the news, but make sure that you are keeping your mental health up, and it will also probably help you with your studying. Here at the school, we are doing office hours, and we are trying to be more available for you, for your questions, for a general sense of community. We're still here. We have to be separate for now, but we want to be available to talk with you guys and to listen. So if there's something that we can help you with, please let us know. I hope everyone is keeping safe and continuing to stay strong. Goodbye.